Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to recover your hacked hotels.com account. In this video, I will show you how to change your password and how to recover your account if the hacker changed your email or phone number. Head down to the description or comment section to view the timestamps. Let's go. To change your password, you want to click on your profile on the top right. Then you want to click Account. Then on the left, you want to scroll down and click Security and Settings. Click Change Password. Then you want to go check your inbox for a message from hotels.com with the 6-digit code. So the email should look like this, and it should come from hotels@eg.hotels.com. And you can copy the code and paste it in and click Continue. And here you can type in your new password and click Update Password. If you're logged out, you can try accessing hotels.com from another device or browser that you already may be logged into. And if you connected any of the accounts on your screen now, you can try logging in via those methods and changing your password. And if you're unable to log in, then you would need to go to the next step. If your email was changed, you want to contact hotels.com support via their phone number. So here's their local phone number and here's their toll-free number. It'll also be in the description as well. I'll also put an article link in the description which isn't related to the issue, but there is a Contact Us button, and after you fill out this form, you'll be taken to this page right here, and you can also chat with an agent here, but you're going to need an account, so you'll either need to borrow somebody else's account or create a new one to chat with support. So calling an agent would be the best solution. Here are some tips on securing your hotels.com account. Secure your email. Verify that the email on the account belongs to you. Use different and strong passwords across all sites. Go to settings and sign out of everywhere. And revoke any suspicious third-party apps or third-party accounts. If you follow the steps in this video and still having trouble with your account, join our Discord community. You'll get help from both us and other members to guide you through the account recovery process and secure your account. For more severe cases, we offer one-on-one single and multi-account recovery help for comprehensive support with hacks affecting multiple accounts. Click the link in the description or on your screen now to join our Discord and get help recovering and securing your account today. Thanks for watching. Stay secure.